Hello, Billy the Artist here, just with a quick little update on how to draw V from BTS. He will be going live tomorrow, which will be the 16th of July. So you can look forward to that. Please do like and subscribe and tick the bell to be notified when the new videos and time lapses, how to draw and time lapses appear. That would be absolutely fantastic. Now he is on the How to Draw Portraits playlist. We have already done Jungkook and RM from BTS, and I've got 4 others of these guys. I'm going to try and do those as fast as I can to get them done and scheduled and up and online. So over the next couple of weeks there'll be all of those guys done, and that's would be great because all of BTS, you've been asking for those for ages. Anyway, there's a quick shout out again, just hello to Runis and Ishi, Kieran, Magic Field, VivPro, Amy Hook, Ferry K, Seema, Vidhu, and Aramenra Studios. All you guys who've been commenting for ages and asking for so many different things. I love doing these how to draw videos. It's a joy and a pleasure to teach you how to draw and encourage you, which is absolutely fantastic. Do please use the hashtag Drawing with Billy in the drawings as well. That would be great if you share them out with people. But do check out the portraits playlist, the link in the cards. There's also a link in the cards to the Harry Potter playlist where the characters are up there. I can do more of those, and I do want to do so many more videos. And there's things like all the Marvel characters, there's Star Wars, there's Game of Thrones, there's so many famous, people are asking for other pop stars, Taylor Swift, Shawn Mendes, Selena Gomez. The list is massive and it's just me. So I really do love and appreciate your support. If you share these out and you guys help these and make them go viral, then I can do lots more videos. It's that simple. If I get paid by doing this, that would be absolutely wonderful. It's got to pay my bills. But anyway, thank you so much, and I look forward to doing more videos. Enjoy this one when it goes live tomorrow, and do share out. And again, there's the How to Draw playlist, just the general one with the basics of the cartoon characters. That has got over 130, maybe 140 lessons on there now. Anyway, share them out. That would be fantastic. Thanks for your help and support, and I'll see you in the next video, which tomorrow will be V from BTS. Take care. Ta-da.